Hi everyone! Welcome to the Delicious Recipes channel. My name is Belin and today we're gonna cook beef broccoli. Very easy recipes guys, but very delicious. Okay, let's start to prepare now. I have 4 grams tenderloin beef here. I just bought this in Walmart and I just need to cut this for half because the meat is a little bit long and thick. I like to cut tiny so the meat will cook fast. And now we're gonna marinate this meat. This is a 1 tablespoon soy sauce only and 1 tablespoon rice wine. I prefer to use rice wine, but you can use also cooking wine. 1 teaspoon cornstarch and 1 teaspoon black pepper and half teaspoon of baking soda. I put baking soda guys to the meat to make tendier and juicier. This is the secret of the Asian restaurants. Why their food is delicious, it's so tender and juicy. Okay, for now, we set aside this for marinate the meat, and while we marinate the meat, we prepare the sauce and our broccoli, but I prepare first the sauce. 2 tablespoons soy sauce and 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. One tablespoon of cornstarch for thicken of the sauce. Tablespoon of rice wine. You can use the cooking wine guys if you don't have available rice wine, so it's up to you. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper and brown sugar. Okay guys, if you don't have available brown sugar, you can use also white sugar, so it's up to you. What available to your kitchen, you can use it. And now we're gonna mix this properly and set aside first because we need to prepare our broccoli, our vegetable. And while we're preparing our broccoli, we need to boil the water. This is 2 cups of water guys. This water is for the blanch of broccoli. Okay, now let's start to prepare the broccoli. We're going to cut, just trim off the hard base, and we're going to take the cut of each broccoli floret. And now we're going to prepare the garlic and ginger. I use 5 cloves of garlic guys, so I just press and cut very tiny the garlic and the ginger. Okay, now our water is boiled already. We're gonna blanch our broccoli here. Just put in the boiled water for only 50 seconds or 1 minute because we don't want overcook our vegetable. I love to have a crunchy bite to the vegetable. I think everybody wants crunchy. No one likes to eat overcooked vegetable, right? Okay, it's already 50 seconds. I need to take out broccoli now, and I'm going to put this in the strainer. Alright, it's time to cook now. When you see the pan is hot already, you can put 2 tablespoons cooking oil. I use olive cooking oil guys, but you can use any kind of cooking oil. When you see the cooking oil is hot already, first we're gonna put the ginger. And next, put the garlic. Okay, we don't need to wait our ginger and garlic to color brown. We're just gonna stir fry only. As long as the garlic and ginger is cooked, that's perfect. We don't want our garlic and ginger to turn color brown, okay? And now the ginger and garlic is cooked already, and it's time to put the marinated beef now. We're gonna cook for this only 6 to 7 minutes and always stir it. This meat is very fast to cook guys. Don't overcook it, because if you overcook the meat is gonna hard and tasteless. And now the meat is cooked already, and now we're gonna cook the sauce. Next, put the vegetable. And now we're gonna put the sesame seeds. And after we put the sesame seeds, we're gonna put the ring onion. Okay guys, this is our beef and broccoli. Very fast to cook but very tasty and delicious. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.